Talk about high pressure. There's never a good time for hiccups, but this was a bad one.
At a couple of thunderstorms.
When KHOU meteorologist David Paul started his forecast for the Houston area, he hoped it was just a passing hiccup.
But you get outside the beltway, really it's Highway 6.
But the involuntary contractions of the diaphragm continued.
Addicts. Excuse me, I have the hiccups, of course.
David told us he'd been having bouts of hiccups all day, but usually they stop when the red light on the camera comes on.
Some redevelopment of thunderstorms right in here. Excuse me.
It was the most helpless feeling I've ever had on live TV. That was a mess.
Sure, other meteorologists have suffered a single hiccup.
Close to 60. That's fair. Excuse me. That's what Dr. Pepper does to you.
We've seen talent sneeze on air.
But you know what? Excuse me.
We've even seen an Australian weatherman pass out.
Squeezy!
While doing the weather, pulling 8 Gs in a stunt plane, but this was no stunt.
7 had some rain showers developing as well. I did put a storm track on this.
What we need is a hiccup tracker. In a forecast that lasted about 3 minutes, we counted a total of 14 hiccups and 7 excuse me's.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
David did try one last-ditch trick.
I slowed down and I thought, well, I'm just going to try to speak slowly and swallow and maybe they'll go away.
At least street flooding. So I'm monitoring that very carefully this evening. So far, so good there. Here's the big picture.
Even a drink of water didn't help.
Hey, thank you, I appreciate it.
But at least he's getting praised for soldiering through and maintaining his dignity. All those hiccups
Compared to
are nothing to sneeze at.
There we go.
Wow, that's a first.
All I've heard today is, hey, it's the hiccuping weatherman.
Forecasting a 70% chance of scattered hiccups. Ginny Mo, CNN.
Here's your extended forecast. Excuse me.
New York.